How did Sojourner Truth navigate slavery's complex legal system? Imagine fighting for your freedom in a time when laws were stacked against you. That's exactly what Sojourner Truth did. Born Isabella Baumfree in New York, she was enslaved from a young age. Laws in New York were changing, but not all slaves were freed immediately. The state passed gradual emancipation laws starting in 1799, which meant some enslaved people remained in bondage until the late 1820s. These laws also banned selling enslaved people out of state if it would keep them enslaved forever. In 1826, Sojourner escaped slavery with her infant daughter. But her troubles didn't end there. She found out her 5-year-old son, Peter, had been illegally sold to a slaveholder in Alabama, a state where slavery was fully legal. She knew this sale broke New York's emancipation laws, which aimed to prevent permanent slavery. She decided to take action. She filed a legal case using a writ of habeas corpus. This is a legal order asking a court to decide if someone is being held unlawfully. She argued that her son's sale was illegal because it violated New York law. She had help from lawyers who supported her cause without charge. Her case was heard in Ulster County, New York. In late 1828, Sojourner Truth won her case. She became the first black woman in the United States to win a lawsuit. The court ordered her son to be returned to her. This victory proved that even in a time of harsh laws, determined individuals could challenge injustice. Her legal win was more than just about her family. It set a precedent for other enslaved people and showed that laws could be used to fight slavery. Her ability to navigate the legal system was remarkable. She used the laws of the time, like the gradual emancipation laws and the writ of habeas corpus, to stand up for her rights. She also had allies who supported her cause. This legal victory was a key part of her larger fight against slavery and for women's rights. It showed that even in a society that often ignored black women's rights, perseverance and smart legal action could make a difference. Sojourner Truth's experience with the law was a powerful example of how legal tools could be used to challenge slavery. Her success inspired many others and helped push the movement for abolition forward. Her story reminds us that fighting for justice often begins with standing up in the courts.